Well, hello, welcome back to my cooking channel. You probably will see two different. It's the same thing, you know. These are the couple of days this week. This is my morning breakfast, and I will show you the kind of hot sauce that I use and stuff. But yeah, when you see the other video, that was my breakfast from yesterday. And this breakfast is a same thing, you know. I always cook, the diced potato in my air fryer, but I do also fry my bacon on top of my stove, and this time I scramble my egg. So it's the same breakfast um, food from yesterday. So this is today, and then what you see in the next video, in this video, that's my breakfast from yesterday. Yeah, I just forgot to post it yesterday, but anywho, yeah. But anyway, like I said, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up. And if you guys always coming back to my cooking channel, but you guys haven't subscribed yet, please be kind. Subscribe. Don't cost you nothing to subscribe to my cooking channel. Just hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just keep this notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. So it's two video in this. The breakfast from yesterday, and this is today as well. So it's two video. Well, at least you get two video of my morning breakfast. Oh, okay. And again, I want to thank each and everyone who already subscribed to my cooking channel. I really appreciate you guys. You guys, always coming back, and see what I got cooking on my cooking channel. And I really appreciate you guys. Because you could tell when people coming back to your cooking channel, you can see the views. And that's very important. Like, when you're talking about this video, like, it's okay. It helped as well. But views is where it really, really helped, my cooking channel. Alrighty. Until then, again, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. Well, welcome back, you guys. Show you what my breakfast this morning that I cook. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Diced potatoes. Yes. I did not order this from no kind of breakfast restaurant. 3 slices of bacon and egg with. I'll show you what kind of green chili that I put on my eggs. And it's not scrambled. I want to say it's I think over easy can be, with the egg yolk, but it's more like soft. It's not really scrambled. But anywho, I just want to come back to show you guys my breakfast. And this is the thick slice, you guys. See? Mm-hmm. Wowza. That looks so, so, so good. Mm-hmm. Y'all wanna get a piece of that bacon? There you go. And see, this thick side, you don't have a lot of grease with it. It didn't have none, because when I was doing it, frying it, it didn't really have that much. But that's it. So you guys get a first bite of the bacon. I'll take my bite. Want the hash brown? There you go. Guys, get that bite. Mm-hmm. Boy. And this is the egg. Guys, get that bite. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Ooh, that sauce is hot. I'll show you the ball of you guys. God damn. Excuse my language, but whoa, whoa, whoa. Hot. Okay, like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Just show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up and subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And if you guys are always coming back to my cooking channel, but you guys haven't subscribed yet, please be kind and subscribe. It doesn't cost you guys anything. And also hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. And this is an easy recipe because you buy some bacon in your local grocery store. Just get it crispy. If you don't like it crispy like mine, which I does, you can use any type of bacon. Go to buy some bacon at your local grocery store. And these right here is diced potato, red, green, bell pepper. And I did buy, you could buy this in your local grocery store as well. Eggs, you could buy the egg, you have to scramble it and stuff. So that's why then, you know, I didn't show you when I was cooking it, because it's easy, easy, easy. I guarantee. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Hope you guys, hope my breakfast inspires someone, which it probably will, because you can't go wrong with breakfast. I guarantee. All right. See you guys in the next upload video.